it's the day of the storm. And this is what we're looking at right now. They're calling for up to 9.7 inches today with just an inch an hour potentially of snow. The interesting thing is we've got a high of 34. And if we go to the hourly, look at these temps. They're all above freezing or kind of right at freezing until really tonight. So who knows? 0.8 inches an hour, 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. That's a ton of snow coming down. And it means it's going to be heavy, nasty stuff. But it likely could be melting fairly quickly. It's just going to be a weird storm. So we'll keep you updated. We do have another system coming through later this week, and it's supposed to be down into the single digits for highs later this week, so that definitely will be snow. But today we could get 10 inches of snow. We could get a bunch of rain, sleet. We don't know. But we'll check in with you later. No, you do however you do it. However you were trained. It's pretty wet and heavy. It's the great thing with these shovels is that you can like push so much, but then that's the bad thing is you can push so much. Right. And you realize about halfway through your push that I've got too much. Or if you have to lift the snow ever, that's the worst. You can never lift the snow with it. Not at all. I know they said to leave the stretches of sidewalk, but I'm like really half tempted just to zip the vent track down there.
Not cutting sidewalks, but just clearing all the sidewalks anyways.
Yeah.
All we're going to do is let it pile up.
I know. All right, it's the next morning. Didn't get a ton of footage yesterday. Got into work mode. We ended up getting another 2 to 3 inches overnight. So it's about 4 a.m. right now. We're heading out back to our sites to do another round of cleanup. Looks like it's supposed to snow until about 7, so we're hoping with what we clean up and throwing down some ice melt and everything that's all going to hold and we won't have to do a second round. We will have to go through and hit all of our residentials again. So yesterday we got about we had probably 10 to 12 hours and pushing. Today hopefully it's more in the neighborhood of about 8, but we're about to get after it again. All right, we're on I don't know, push number 4, day 3 of this series of winter storms that has hit our area. They were calling for 6 inches or so overnight, but it looks like may have only gotten a couple. It's hard to tell, it's so windy. I mean, you can see there's literally areas of just bare concrete, and then there's huge drifts. So we're working through it. It's about, I think we have a high of 9 degrees today. Sunday is looking like a high of, I think, -5. -10, okay, that's good. So we've got a wind chill of, I think, -20-ish right now. A little chilly, wind's probably
20 mile an hour, they said.
20 mile an hour, gusting up to 40, I think, for today. So this is our job. I cleared a little bit of this lot just to give us room, but we've got to push all this out from the walkway and entryways, and then they got guys that come back after us with trucks that plow the lot. So we're just gonna get after it and hopefully get some more content for today. All right, so you can see we got a lot of blowing snow. Another area that we service. Pretty crazy. Flip you around and show you the drift that we've got working over here. All right, so this is all an entryway we gotta clear. Normally there's cars parked all along here, so it's impossible. There's nowhere to take the snow.
Yeah!
But we got, I mean, that's a good 2-foot drift up in that corner. It's probably a good 1.5 foot average all around here. So we're gonna just start getting after it. Snow Angel, beautiful. And this whole stretch here, normally there's an overhang, so it's not bad, but the wind has just drifted everything up. Whew. All right, we gotta work it out for us here. Those Toro 721Rs, baby, putting in work. All right, so we're at our largest property, and we've just got some crazy drifting going on. I mean, there's sections that are probably 1.5 feet deep, then there's bare concrete ahead. So, waiting on our other guy to get here that's got the key. We'll get our sidewalk machines out, and gonna start ripping away at the sidewalks. We've got a crew showing up at about 4:30. It's 3:50 right now. They're still calling for another 3. So when I woke up originally at midnight, they said there was only gonna get another inch and 1.25 inches. Now it looks like the storm is circling back around, so it's gonna be a lot longer day than we had originally planned. Of course, that's pretty much how snow removal goes. But we'll be just kind of doing loops on our sites and babying everything as much as we can. I'm glad that we went through and hit our south route at least once already. Got the bulk of what fell overnight off of there. I mean, there's still obviously going to be quite a bit that piles up with another 3 inches coming, but at least we got a decent chunk off of there, so we're not trying to unbury from 5 inches, 6 inches of snow. It's going to be half that. All right, well, we'll get some more footage once the crew arrives, and we're ripping away. All right, we're gonna get the Ventrac out now. We got some decent snow. It's still warm, so it's not accumulating as much, but it's definitely accumulating. So in an effort to keep up, we're gonna get one of our sidewalk machines out. This is the stand-up machine, and there's the cab Ventrac back there. And we'll get rolling. Getting after it now. All right, I'm gonna go hop on our machine and get after it. See you guys. All right. think you're pretty much on it. You just got a little bit of grass. Hit it down a little further. There you go. That's some thick snow. Dominating. We are slogging our way through this public walk all the way down there. This is all from the city. When they come through and plow the roads, it all just gets thrown back up so you can see the nasty. This is all just frozen ice chunks that we're having to chip away at. Just ramming. Slowly making progress, opening this up. Unbelievable. There's no way you could do it with just a normal blower. We got a good one. We got a good storm on this one. Look at that. Solid ice. Just chunked up from the sidewalk. Wow. That's thick.